How to transfer money from USA to Czech on PC. Now, first of all, we will use Remitly. Why Remitly? Because it has the lowest fees. And if you use the link below, you will be able to benefit from your first $1,000 without any fee. Now, first of all, select your destination that you want to transfer money from. In this case, it will be United States. And select your recipient destination. In this case, it will be Czech. If you don't find it here, just type it in the search bar, as you can see. Now, enter the amount that you want to transfer, for example, $1,000. And now click on Get This Rate. Now after that, log into your account. So if you don't find your recipient destination here, just click on it and type it in the search bar. In this case, it will be Czech. Now click on Send Money. Now double check your amount that you want to transfer and now select the delivery method, for example, bank deposit or cash pickup or debit card. So bank deposit has the lowest fees. Now select bank deposit and now select the bank that you want to transfer the money to, for example, this one. And now select the payment method. So for example, debit card or credit card or bank account. Now select one of these and now click on Continue. Now provide your recipient name and click on Continue. Now after that, if you have the phone number of your recipient, you can provide it here. If you don't have it, now click on Skip. Now finally, add a new card and click on Continue. Now provide your debit card info and click on Next. But before going to transfer that money, make sure to double check your debit card info and click on Transfer Money, and your recipient will receive that money. So this is how to transfer money from USA to Czech on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.